Hello guys, are you going to appear for the MSET 2021? So this is very good news for you. Maharashtra government and you can say Savitribai Phule, Pune University has officially announced the date of 2021 MSET examination. Yes, my name is Professor Nilesh Anandwani and today I am going to tell you in detail about MSET examination which is going to be happened in 2021 in this September. So this is very I'm going to make this video very short and I have taken some introductory part and that I'm going to tell you in detail. This video will be completely in English. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please press the subscribe button and hit the you can say bell icon so that you will be notified when my new video will come. I just used to make several videos related to the SET examination. So let's begin. So Savitribai Phule has officially announced date of 2021 MSET examination, and the date of this examination is 26th of September 2021. 26th of September 2021. As you know that in a last month only, just a few days before you can say result of a 2020 MSET examination was announced, and now just next month only the examination you can say application form of 2021 is also announced. So this is good one, but we know that we are running in this pandemic period, in this corona period. So yes, if a government has announced that date is the 26th September 2021, then it is obviously fixed, but sometime it might be moderate, sometime it may be some changes, just because depending on the current scenario about the pandemic. But we are not going to talk about that pandemic in detail. We are going to focus only about MSET 2021. So I'll tell you, this is the 37th number MSET going to be conducted by our Maharashtra, and I'll tell you some exam center which are going to be conducted. Like if exam center is increase or decrease, I don't know, but previously whatever the exam center was there, same exam centers are also like that. The exam center for the MSET 2021 for the being assistant professor of Maharashtra. So first one is Mumbai, then Pune, Kolhapur, Solapur, Ahmednagar, Nasik, Dhule, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Nanded, Amravati, Nagpur, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli, and one from the Panjim, from the Goa. So these are the some allocated centers for the examination, MSET examination. When will be the application form will be announced? So application form will be announced from the 17th May 2021 at 11 am, and it will be available on the website up to the 10 June at 6 pm 2021. From the 17th May 11 am and up to the 10th June 6 pm, you have to fill this form in between this 23 days, whatever the periods are there, you have to fill in this. One thing you have to remember, once you paid the fees, and after paying the fees, application form will be up to the 10th June, and at the last week of June, whoever student has applied for the MSET, their name will be listed on the website, and you have to check your name. If your name is not there, some mistake has happened, if your name is not there, then you have to take the fee, you can say proof of fee that you have paid by online or by whatever mode, you have to send them. And once you send them, if they accept you, then you will be eligible. But something means most probably this things doesn't happen, because this is very accurate one. Now fees, what is about the fees? All the general open candidate person has to, you can say, take 800 rupees for the exam fees, and OBC, NT, VJ and all other backward classes, they have to pay 650 rupees for the examination. Now, one thing in this year has clearly mentioned, keep it in mind everyone, if you have qualified SET examination in a particular subject, then you cannot appear for again SET examination in a same subject. Say for example, you have qualified SET examination in economics, so you cannot appear in economic subject again for MSET. You can appear for another, but if you have to complete the master degree first. Yes guys, so you cannot appear again second time for MSET examination if you are already qualified in same subject. So this thing has to be mentioned. Now whatever information you wanted to know, you just have to put Uni Pune in Google or directly go to the website like a setexam.unipune.ac.in, where you will get application form, online application form, syllabi, everything you will get in this website. Yes. Now exam center, and you understood now eligibility criteria. What is eligibility criteria? Several students are messaging me that, sir, what is eligibility criteria? I'm in a MSc part 1. Can I appear for the MSc? Can I appear for the SET examination? Just listen to me very carefully. If you are in a postgraduate of any stream, either a BSc, I mean to say in a MSc Master of Science, either Master of Arts or Master of Commerce, you can appear for the SET examination. But you must be in the third semester. Yes, you must be at least in the third semester, means second year of a postgraduate. Is it clear to everybody? So you are in any stream of a master degree, you can appear for the MS SET examination, but you must be in the third semester. Now, who can appear this examination, from which state? There are also some questions. Some students are asking me questions, sir, I am from the Rajasthan, can I appear for the MS SET examination? Some are from the Himachal Pradesh, can I appear for the examination? Yes guys, you guys can appear for MS SET examination. MS SET examination allow every student from all over the India to participate in examination. But one thing you have to keep it in mind, that once you qualified, you can work as assistant professor in Maharashtra or Goa only. Yes, if you are from the Madhya Pradesh, if you are from the Himachal Pradesh, you can say Kolkata, West Bengal, anywhere, Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, wherever. If you are from any state of India, you can appear for examination, but after qualifying examination, you have to work as assistant professor in Maharashtra and Goa only. After qualification, this is criteria, but before qualification, anyone can appear from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, anywhere, Bihar, Uttarakhand, whatever. Okay, now next one, paper pattern. Now paper pattern is as usual, as it was changed in the 2019. Like there will be 3 paper. Keep it in mind what I am telling you. There will be 3 paper, but not for the student of science. Student, those who are in the biological science, chemical science, biological science means life science, chemical science, physical science, earth and planetary ocean science, earth science, geographical science and mathematical science. This has to appear for only 2 paper, and other can appear as to 3 paper. So 2 paper. First paper will be for the 100 marks. There will be 50 compulsory question. It will be based on your general knowledge. You can say teaching aptitude, mathematical reasoning, basic things. And paper second will be of 100 MCQ. And you have to attempt 100 out of 100 compulsory subject, except for mathematical science. So all 100 has to 100 questions has to be attempted. So there will be paper 1, paper 2. Paper 1 will carry 50 MCQ, 100 marks, 2 marks for each question. Timing will be 60 minutes. And paper 2 will 100 MCQ, 200 marks. Timing will be 120 minutes, 2 hours. So total there will be 3 hours. Yes. First paper will be at 10 AM to the 11 AM. And second paper will be from 11:30 to the 1:30. There will be 2 hours. So there will be half hour gap for the breakfast. So now criteria for the declaration of result. So actually we have not given the examination yet. So it is very foolish to be discussed about the result, because examination date is announced, no? But we know that this is the pandemic era. And in this pandemic period, several things we have saw which was impossible, but still that was happened. Like a train was totally blocked for 1 and 2 months. It was in our age we have not saw these things. Even though our parents were surprised that it was not possible, but it happened. So if the cases are going to be increased, examination will maybe examination will be postponed. If examination is going to postpone, then result will also be postponed. And even though yet now also, when the result will be announced, it is not given on the website. Only date of examination 26th of September 2021 is announced. Application form from which date up to the which date it is announced, but result is not announced. And after the examination, obviously result will also announce, and definitely a hall ticket, you can say admit card will also be announced. These are the topics which are related to schedule of examination. So once schedule is totally fixed at 101%, now this is 101%, don't worry. Yes, but if something is going to change, then it will be the reveal. Automatically website will be updated. and result is once the result is find, and ultimately you will also get certificate by online mode. How we used to, once we qualified, we have to send the, you can say, our application number to the respective team of MSET at Pune and tell them that we have already qualified, so please allot our certificate. So they will send you a certificate. They will also send you a certificate. They will also send you a certificate to your courier address, to your home address. So this is all about the MSET examination. If you guys want to ask any question regarding MSET examination, if you have any query about the MSET examination, then you can give me a comment at the bottom, and you can also call me. My number is 9028179848. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to our channel, because I always used to bring the such kind of video. Have a good day.